Oh, 03. Oh, maybe when I created here, right? That is why. Because I am logged into 03. I can't see from here. But I have logged into 03. If I want, I can open another thing. And how will I know that where I am logged in? AL08. So I am logged in into 03. Oh, 01 is running then. 01 also running. I thought 01 is off. 01 is running, right? Yeah. So but I logged in through 03. Since I logged in, since 01 is running, it went and tried to change in 01, right? Anyway, don't worry as of now. Okay. So we have total only in 01 we have total only 4. In 03 we have total 6. But we are changing 01 only. Night time we are going to make it 2. So we are going to make it 2 in the night. Okay. Then save it. So this is saved, right? Saved. So now after this is done, I save it. That was saved. Then I get up from here. Then I go to what command? SM 63. Enter. Exception operation. The other name is exception operation, right? Exception operation. Exception operation. So I will change normal operation, right? Change. By default, we saw some dummy value. Dummy value is evenly distributed. That's why they have a dummy value there, right? Now we don't have to use the dummy value. So we have to create daytime. So highlight this, operation mode, select interval. I'm going to create an interval, okay? Select interval, watch this, otherwise you will be playing with this and you won't be able to do that, right? So select interval, you always forget that. So this is what time? Oh, no, it's not morning anyway. For workers, this is night. For work, yeah. Till what time? What time you are opening your office? 8 o'clock open, please. I can't. So highlight up to 8, 9 only. Okay, highlight up to here, 8. Then operation mode, select interval. So this interval, okay, right? So from night to, early morning, 12 o'clock to 8 o'clock is night for us. So assign night operation mode. Night operation mode. Okay. That is night. Then from 8 o'clock to what time? Select interval. 8 o'clock to what time? What time you want to go home? Based on what time you want to go home. Oh, very good. Hard working. Good. So then operation mode, select interval. So that is normal. So assign. And then you give night. Oh, sorry. Give what? Day. Day. Everybody will be saying no dialog box and they won't work, right? Then again from here, select interval up to here. Night. It's all flexible, right? It all depends on how you want to set up, right? So now we assume somebody is doing some work at 6 o'clock.
Then we keep 6 to 12 as exception from evening 6 to 12, or is that we can't give any time for that? It can happen anytime. Is it like that? The emergency thing.
Emergency thing. Normally, emergency thing we keep. We don't put it here normally. It's not necessary. If it is emergency, then why you have to put it? There's no here. Day and night is okay, right? Emergency. What we do is we type RZ04 and switch to that operation mode when there's a need.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
okay.
We don't have to put it here, right? Because there's no need for that, right?
Right. Yeah. So we can't take after office hours till midnight as emergency time. We can't use that. Yeah. Like after 6 till
emergency
midnight.
Is something which occurs rarely. That's why we call it emergency, right?
Right.
So we don't put it in a normal pattern, okay?
Oh, okay.
At 6 o'clock, everybody is using all the dialog work process at 6 o'clock.
Right. After 6, we still take it as night. Okay.
After 6, we are taking it as night because everybody is going home, right? No 24-hour shift here. So 6 o'clock, a lot of people are working in dialogue with dialogue work process. Then what happened? Then operation mode is coming into action. Then what will happen? All the dialogue work process will be? It will not happen like that. It will allow people to release the dialogue work process slowly. And then automatically it will go to the other operation mode. When it's switching from one operation mode to another operation mode, is it visible for people? It's not visible. People don't know that, right? Yeah. And if all the dialogue work processes are very busy, it takes its own time, right? Yeah. It doesn't chase people, right? So save it. So I saved it.
When the backup starts, it's when the user will start getting a message that they should log off.
No, that is different, but not for operation mode. Operation mode won't do those things. Yeah. So we learned about two codes. What are the T codes? RZ 04 and RZ NSM 63. Yeah. So 10 less. That's all. Small difference, right? Then we'll come to another one. RZ 03. Pardon?
Writing these down. I think you said you were making notes or something, right?
Yeah. So we have all the notes here. RZ 04, SM63, RZ 03. Yeah. So RZ 03, you enter. So we have all our, both our these things are there, right? Okay. Then we have configured only in 01, not in 03. That's what it shows here. And what is my default? What is my current? This may be an exam question, maybe a interview question. What is my current operation mode now? Tell me. Don't look at the time. Just tell me what is my current operation mode. I don't know whether it's night or day. Huh? Pardon? No, you are looking at this day and saying day, or you are looking at something on the screen. Yeah, it says. So when they ask you, how do you know the current operation mode? You have to type RZ03. So that also I'll put it here because that's also important. So where is RZ03? Yeah, sub instance and also current operation mode. You can check from there. So now if I want to switch to another operation mode, I have emergency now, right? RZ01. So edit RZ03. Choose operation mode, but this is highlighted. Yeah, it allows here. So if I want to select night, then I will highlight night or emergency. We assume that I have the what do we call emergency? Exception operation. So if this is exception operation, then I can say choose. Then what will happen? What will happen? It will switch to that. So now I am selecting night. In the night I have 2 dialogue and 2 background. So I am highlighting that and I'm choosing change the operation mode. So now my operation mode is what? Night, right? We'll see whether immediately this is changing SM50. It takes time, right? It doesn't immediately change. Huh? Slowly it will change. Okay. Okay. So like that I can switch operation mode. Okay. Then I can also go to, oh, I'm sorry, I made a mistake. I will alter this. Stop instance. Control X. RZ04. I can stop instance using RZ04. Okay. Not RZ03. RZ04. So now we want to stop the instance quad system. If we want to stop the instance, don't stop. I'm just showing you RZ04, the same command we used before to configure the operation mode. Then click on the instances profiles here, instances and profiles. And then I can say, we can change it. We say this instance. No, on system, it will be there. It won't be there. Operation mode view, internal edit, cancel, maintenance. I can do consistency check also, whether my things are inconsistent between operating system level and database level. New install, external maintenance. Oh, where is it? Confusion there. RZ03 also I check once again. Operation remote control. Yeah, here. Yeah, what I said first is correct. So when I have seen that whenever I tell something first, that will be correct. Second one, when I change only problem. Okay, that's correct, right? I have seen always happening. Some confusion. First I say in my random access memory, it's correct. Indexing. So now if I want to stop this for one of the instances, say this one, I can go here, control, and then say stop instance. Oh, I didn't even click. It's asking whether I stop, right? So don't stop it, right? Okay. So I can stop the instance also through this, right? So it's a dangerous command. People can accidentally stop, so we will not give that authorization for people, right? So normally in RZ03, you can stop the instance also. Go to control and stop the instance and also start the second instance. First instance you can't start because you are logged out, okay? I can switch operation mode here also. I can switch operation mode here also, okay? So RZ03 does everything almost, right? Only thing, yeah, even it shows the active mode also, right? RZ03 shows everything, right? Yeah. So what additional thing RZ04 does apart from this? RZ04. Same thing. I can even RZ04 also. Yeah, but that I already saw. But okay, sorry. Maybe I was looking at the wrong one. Sorry about it. Yeah. RZ03. Same thing. Yeah. So RZ04 you can stop and start the instance, and RZ03 also shows whether it's day or night. RZ04 also shows whether RZ04 doesn't show whether it is day or night, right? Okay. So RZ03 shows it's day or night. Current over, yeah, that's fine. Okay. So that is operation mode. Any questions in operation mode? No questions. So you want to continue with the second topic, TMS configuration? Oh, no, we have to do it until we have to wait till the server is installed, right? So what we will do is on the Tuesday night, 8 o'clock, 8 p.m., right? Sometime I have to tell that also, 8 p.m. Then we will continue the installation, and then on then we have to run SGN also, no? Before Saturday. We have to run SGN. Yeah. Because next Saturday the server should be ready. 3 servers should be ready so that you can configure TMS. Okay. So what we do, yeah, we can do, yeah, you have to wait maybe 45 minutes because after the server gives you errors, when we correct the errors, it will take about 15-20 minutes to install. Okay. So after installing, then we start SGN and then we allow the server to run. Then on Saturday it will be ready. Okay. So thank you very much, everybody.